What's going on, guys? What we got going on today is this Tiffin Phaeton broke one of these slide out brackets. You're gonna see, get down here. See that? Look at this. It snapped off this bracket. Look at this one, and you can see how it's welded right here. Sort of poorly welded. They only tack welded it. All right, so one's right there. You see that one in there? That's the one that's crooked. So we got another 16 inches from there this way. It's gonna be right here. Right there. Bingo. That's the bolt we need right there. That's the one right there. Let's see what we got. Snaz washers on it. The other side over there. Okay, I'll check it out. Okay, so that's gonna go straight up. That's coming right off. That's just gonna fall right off. All right, so there's that bolt right there. I think it's on there. Did we just get lucky? So this is the only thing. Because this is so deep, we need a big washer. Will it come out or no? Yep, okay. All right, get these bolts off. Last bolt right there. And that's the welds that broke. The old one was put together like this. All right, and those are the welds that broke and it snapped. Because what was going on is he said that he forgot to put this chair in the correct position. It has to be turned sideways like this when you open and close the slide. So they forgot, and it was turned the other way. And when they were going to open the slide, it was pushing on the chair, and the weld broke on the bracket. And that's how this whole thing happened, because this chair was in the wrong position. Look at that. That thing is not coming apart. Look at that, look at that. Okay, so we got these 4 bolts here. Let's thread these guys in. No, see, that one went right in. 3.
Well, okay, no. Eat, and I just threw the chicken down the hill. Like, and I said it when he already went down and got 2 more, like a month. Like, I'm serious in my life.
This is looking good. Oh, that is tight though. I think we're good for sure. That ain't going nowhere. Go all the way down once you release it slow.
Out?
Yeah, yep, run it out.
Okay.